Morning class. Last time we have discussed about asexual reproduction. In asexual reproduction, I taught you about different forms of asexual reproduction. 5 forms of asexual reproduction. Number 1 is fission, second budding, third is spore formation, number 4 is known as fragmentation, and number 5 is known as vegetative propagation. In that 5 forms, number 1 we will discuss about fission. Number 1 is known as fission. Fission, I taught you what you mean by fission. Fission means to split or to divide. So, the body of parent organism divides into 2 parts. Number 1 is fission is of 2 types. One is known as binary fission and second is known as multiple fission. In binary fission, the replication of DNA takes place, and during favorable condition, when body of organism become mature, the cytoplasm and nucleus divides. The division of nucleus is known as karyokinesis and division of cytoplasm is known as cytokinesis. So in binary fission, 2 processes takes place. One is known as karyokinesis and second is known as cytokinesis. So this way cells divide into 2 parts, and this way the new individuals are formed which are identical to their parent. And this binary fission is very limited. It takes place only in unicellular living organisms like as bacteria, paramecium, leishmania and amoeba. Okay. So these are some pictures of binary fission in bacteria, binary fission in amoeba. 2 processes takes place. One is known as karyokinesis and second is known as cytokinesis. In cytokinesis, cytoplasm divides into 2 equal parts, and in karyokinesis, nucleus divides into 2 parts by a process. That process is known as mitosis process. One more example, binary fission in paramecium you can see here. And one more example of binary fission, that is leishmania.